I'm gonna be replacing the radio for a 2004 Honda Accord. First step you do is you put the shifter in neutral. You put it in neutral. You press a hard right here. That releases the gear without you pushing the pedal and turning the key on. But you put it on neutral, so you're able to pop this thing up and take it. It's better to get like some plastic ones so you won't damage anything. But this is my car, so I can do whatever I want with it. But you get a screwdriver and you pretty much pop this up, so you can take it out.
What's up, bro?
So you just pop this up. After you pop it out, there's two Phillips screws that you gotta take out. So after you pop those, take out those screws, you can pop this ashtray and the lid out. Just this thing goes right there, so you just pop it out. You know, there's one other way in there. That one you have to take out as well. And that's right behind the ashtray. After you take out those two, that screw right there, there's another one back there that's hidden. You take out that one and then that should come off. So I took out those two screws and you know, it comes off. You just have to disconnect that cable. Take out those two. You had these these two screws that you took off before, and you take off these two right here. Those two Phillips screws. After you take out those two screws, you can pretty much take this out. It's a little difficult to take out. What you do is you fold this thing like 3/4 of the way like this, not all the way close, but like this, and then that makes it easier for you to pull it out. But yeah, that's how you take this out. I was struggling a little bit because I guess the lid back here blocks it from coming out, you know, and it gets trapped. So you just pull it down a little and pop it up. Now this thing, you pop this thing out. That's why I advise to use like plastic pile drivers or whatever to take it out, so it won't damage anything. But you know, you just pretty much pop it out, boom, and it comes out. You know, not too difficult right there. After that, you know, you get those three Phillips. 2, 3. You take those three Phillips at the bottom. Right here, there's two more right here at the bottom. This one and this one. Take those out. Those are actually easier with a 6mm socket. It's easier to take out, so that's my advice, because with the filler you might strip it. 8mm, what you want to do is pull from here and here as hard as you can, you know, and little by little it starts coming out like that. Some clips might fall off, they'll pop off, the clips that retain this, you know, and you could always pick them up and put them back. They're these clips right here. Fully take out the stereo, you have to disconnect it. It's a connector right here at the bottom. This right here, and you pull down really hard, you know, and there should be a few other ones right here. This one right here, the green one. Just got to be very careful because they are very hard to take out, so make sure you don't injure yourself. Take out this clip over here that's attached right there. You're able to see the other two or the other connectors that are back here. Not this blue one. So you take it out the same way as the green one. You got the antenna. You just pretty much yank it out. For these things, I don't like ripping them, so what I do is on the inside I just press on the tabs and pop it out. I don't like breaking them because they're there for a reason, you know, to have the cable secure. Take this out. You know, now I'm gonna replace it with this other one and see how it works. And it's vice versa. Bolts, screws, and you're ready to go. So after you put those three screws and those other two screws, you go ahead and pop this back in. I didn't completely take this out because it was connected, and you don't need to take it out. After you put that, you could go ahead and put this thing back in. Go ahead and put the ashtray department back in. You can put your ashtray department, but don't forget to connect your lighter up. So connect that first, two screws back in, the ones that go all the way in there.